the strangest feeling. Don't know what to believe in. Cause every time you touch me, I can't control my body. Oh.
So, today is a very special video to me. I ordered me a Shany's makeup mystery box. You probably can see my face in the mirror. But today I wanted to open this package. First I want to say I saw a lot of reviews on this package on Amazon. Is where I bought it. It was $100, $106 with tax. I saw a lot of reviews. Well, not a lot. 6 reviews, 7 reviews, and 6 of them loved their package. I liked it too, and one girl did not really like her package. I didn't like her package either. But what made me mad about the video is that they was holding the camera in with one hand and opening the box with one hand. Like, you cannot open this box with one hand and hold the camera steady. And some of the items they had, you couldn't open it with one hand, right? So I made it where I can do it with 2 hands. I waited all day, 12 hours to get home just to see what's in this package. So nervous. If I don't like what's in here, I don't know what to do with life. Okay. Oh, it's already starting bad. It's a brown thing here. It's too much paper. That means you didn't get a lot of stuff. I'm already disappointed. I'm already crushed. I'm lying. Okay, so I don't know what the hell this is. A ball? Now, they didn't take their stuff out the package. I'm not going to take it out just yet. We're going to go through that later. So first, I got some black ball thing. I don't know what it is. Or a box of something. I don't know what it is. Sorry about that. I was disturbed by my alarm clock. Okay, and we got one of these. I have these already. The little sponges, the silicone ones, but I have not tried it. But I bought them off of Amazon, but I just haven't tried it yet. Sponge from Shany. It feels soft through the plastic, but we'll try it. I'm trying to get all the small stuff. Really? A black pencil for the eyeliner. This is like one of them soft tip ones that go for under your eye. Different color pencil, like a lip pencil. It says an eyeliner. Who the hell gonna put this on their eye? This thing look like it's sharp as hell. It's gonna cut you up. So you got like a maroon and a brown. Very usable. And you got like a red for the under eye, like the block one. I like it already. Let me save this for last. I got some Shana lip gloss, a tiny little lip gloss. Cute. We'll be using, okay. A little palette with 10 colors. These are usable. Colors I use. Some of these, not this. This gray. This gray scares me. Some pencils. Some more pencils. This is a matte lip liner set. All the colors. Eyelash kit. I don't even use this. I don't even have eyelashes. And my favorite, the brushes. Who don't love brushes? I have 1,000 brushes, but I love more brushes. And that's it for the box. I'm actually a little disappointed because the box was not filled to the top to the T for $100. I don't feel like I feel like I didn't get $100 worth of good stuff in here. I get more stuff in my $35 box than I do in this box. Maybe this stuff costs more money. I don't know. I ain't even look into it. So here is a big package, and I think it's a palette. I'm not gonna play with this thing and try to open that up. I don't have time. Imagine me trying to do it with one hand. Like, bro, really? Get some scissors, put the phone down, pause, and open the freaking package. The audacity, people. So here it is, the book, the beauty book. I really got the box for the brushes. I actually like the boxes that are like $35 like that, because you get more, and I get it's like L'Oreal and Revlon stuff I already use, stuff I know, the affordable good stuff. Okay, so when I'm gonna get one of those boxes, I would definitely make a video and show you the difference. The difference, my loves. So what comes in here is a card. I think it's just a thank you card, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, a thank you card. Visit our review page. I'm gonna send a review. I like to review stuff. I review so much stuff on Amazon, they don't ban me from making reviews. And it's never bad. I never leave bad reviews. But yet somehow they told me that I'm leaving bad reviews. I have never. The audacity. Okay, so this is what the book looks like. This is a pretty palette. I can see me using a few of these shimmers. Instead of using glitter, use some shimmer. I guess these are like lip gloss, lip balm, stuff like that. Let's look deeper into this palette, shall we? Well, we got some little brushes, the eye brush, the pencil, eye pencils. What is this? This is. Well, I gotta use my fingers. My palm is not strong. Oh, look, eyeliner. Some liquid eyeliner. Oh, look at that tip. Amazing. Like it, love it. I love it. The packaging is cute. And you got some more like lips balms over here with some what they call that? I keep forgetting what they call this right here. For your cheeks to make them all rosy. So let's see what this sponge feels like. Oh no, this is a hard sponge. This is enough for me. It's like too hard. It's a no. It will sit here and just be pretty in the package. I won't even use it. I'm telling you, I won't use this if I don't have eyelashes. Like, why would I use it? I'm curious to know, what is this ball? So let's see what that is. Struggle. Yeah, I think it's a lip balm, I want to say. Really? It smells good. If I could just get it open. It just don't want to open for me. Alright, I got it open. It smells real good. With some lip chapstick. Yeah. Awesome. This is really good. I'm gonna put this stuff like this is in my makeup bag to go. We're gonna open the palette. Let's see what the palette looking like. The pencils. No, we ain't open the pencils. We know what the pencils look like. They tell y'all right here. I had to put this over here because I need to be able to see, get to it. I do want to open the lip gloss and see, like, is it like creamy? Is it a creamy lip gloss? So let's take a Ganda. I just really just close this stuff down, huh? I ain't mad, but I'm mad. I don't want to open it. Good Lord. After all that open, and they got more tape. Bro, like, what? Why? Jesus. Who the hell gonna steal it off the box? Let's open one of these batteries. That's what they look like, them AAA batteries. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, this is travel size. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's cute. I like that. I like that. I saw one girl got some glitter. Just like a little bit bigger size. I really wish I got that. I was hoping for that glitter because I had to buy one pack of glitter just to well, I wanted red. I have all the colors but red, so I have to pay $3 for a pack of glitter off of Amazon. Well, that was about a whole pack for $11. But I have all these colors. This is a pencil sharpener. How exciting! How exciting! A whole pencil sharpener, Jesus! Look at that. A whole pencil sharpener. It's fantastical. Fantastical. I guess I'll open these brushes and see what they looking like. I was gonna do another video of me trying stuff on, but what is there to try on? Like what? I mean, like what is there for me to try besides the lip glosses and stuff? Oh my God, we gotta open this again. Opening the packages. Like you're taking the recording time. See, you see the disrespect. The disrespect. These are like some good brushes. Like some expensive brushes. You know? I have to open stuff. I gotta see. I gotta feel. Oh, these are soft. They stink. But but they're soft. Look how soft that is. Let's compare that to one of my other brushes. Let me see, y'all. One of my, what you call these? This is Walmart brush. I remember I bought this from Walmart. This is pretty soft, but this is soft. Like heaven. Yeah, so yeah, that's the box. I will not buy another box because I want to be upset. Like, bro, I'm upset about this box. I am highly disappointed. I gotta tell you, I feel like there's something missing out of this package that I wanted so bad. And I'm not gonna send it back because I already put the lip balm on my lips, so I'm not gonna send it back. But I'm disappointed, and I feel like it was a waste of a gift. It was a Christmas gift from my husband. I appreciate the thought because I really wanted it, but this just sucks. Like, I don't know. I would not buy it again. I would stick to my $34 boxes from Revlon and L'Oreal because that's stuff I use. So I know it's the good stuff, and you get so many more things. Like you get 100 items or 50 items, and maybe some good stuff. I found some good stuff that I like. So this is the end of my video because I was going to do like another part video where I try the stuff on, but there's nothing to try on. I could try on my pencil sharpener. Let me try it with one of my pencils and sharpen it. Does it sharpen? Does it sharpen like it's supposed to? Oh, it sharpens well. Look at that. A simple thing. No. I'm not excited. I'm not excited about it at all. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed the video. I didn't even introduce myself. Gosh. I was so excited to open the box. I forgot to introduce myself. This is Nicole, the Pisces Queen, soon to be another name, because that's so long and I'm tired of saying it. I love the Pisces Queen, but I found another name I want to use, and I will start using it in my next video, because my next video will be, you know, posted in January, in the middle of January. So that's when I will start using my new name. But if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And if you are already subscribed, you already know I appreciate you. I really, really do. I appreciate the subscribers, all the comments, all the feedback. I love the interaction with you guys. I have no real friends, so I count you guys as my friends. The ones I talk to on a regular basis mostly. And my subscribers, all my subscribers, one day we will all talk on each other's YouTube and comment, and, you know, really be interactive with each other for real. You know what I mean. Anyways, this is the end of my video. It is like 10:20 p.m. and it is way past my bedtime, and I gotta go to work in the morning. So thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.